Okay, so if you can hear me, excuse the dog barking. I'm here today because I've been given this drone, if you don't already know, and I'm using it, but I'm so nervous using it that I've been watching videos on practicing using it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just at my local park. I'm going to just practice some manoeuvres and hopefully take you on a drone journey. See how it goes. Right, okay, so I've just took it out. If it's too near, you can't use the return to home function. That's really good because it's built my confidence. I've sent it out, done return to home, and the great thing is it takes it as high as it can before it brings it back, because my worry was it might hit that tree just coming straight back, but it doesn't. And as it approaches back, it didn't go to exactly the same spot, so I can just take over by moving the joystick. So that gives me a bit of confidence, which is what I need. Okay, so I've tried a couple of the quick shots, but the other two, I think I need more space. I need to be higher up, so I'm going to go and drive somewhere a bit higher and try them. And also my battery's gone low and it gives you a warning, so that's good. I kind of feel that's the first time that's happened, so I've got a rough idea of how long I've got to get the shots. I've got 2 more batteries because this the person who bought me this got me the combo kit, so I've got 2 more batteries which are fully charged, so we'll go somewhere else. The great thing about having a camper van is I'm going to put this on charge. I've got USB ports here, so while I drive to my next destination I can charge everything up, so that I'm getting free electric from the B2B, that the engine charges the battery and the battery charges my stuff, which is a win-win. I've also got one of these leads that's 1 USB but it fits 2, so I can do it into the bottom of the drone. And also into the controller. I don't know how long the controller has battery wise, whether it would even do 3 batteries worth, so the other batteries I've got charged, so that's okay. Right, I'm going to try and find somewhere a little more scenic, shall we say, maybe higher up, nicer views, and get some decent footage for you if I can. Welcome to New Mills. The drive here brought me to New Mills and I couldn't think of a better place to try the drone than the tours, so I hope this footage works. Here we go. that's it for today. I've still got some battery left. I'm feeling a lot more confident because I've tried lots of new things today, although I have a huge way to go. And I really think that in summer it'll help because my hands, I can hardly move at the minute. They're so cold, my fingers. So I think in summer I'll use it more often and hopefully will, you know, increase my confidence. But any tips you've got for drone flying, anything like that, I'm open to learning. Okay, until then, thanks for watching. Bye.